Hey, what's up, Dan? Hey, Rubik's Cube, not solved. Post it on your Facebook. See, not solved. I'm moving around a little more, but I'll solve it under 2 minutes, like I told you I would. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Damn. Come in. What?
Continue.
I am doing it. What do you want?
I want you to finish. You're timing yourself, right?
Kind of. I'm taping myself so I can send it to my cousin. Alright, what do you want?
Oh, you want Keita in your room?
Huh? No. Keep your ass downstairs. Done.
How long did it take you?
A little over a minute and a half, maybe.
That's because I came in.
What's up, cuz? What? Holla at your boy! I don't know, dude. I'm making fucking videos of me solving the Rubik's Cube. Dance! Dance, 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 dance!
Cool.
Dance, dance, dance to the robot.
I never remember. Is she gonna shit or anything?
Huh?
Is she gonna shit in my room or anything?
Why do you want Keita in your room?
No, because I said I don't.
Are you gonna play LOL right now?
Are you gonna play?
I'm thinking about it.
I'll play.
Alright, let's play LOL.
Alright,
Hold on, I'll show you. Watch.